next one is question number 7. So now solution here. So now here solution is what here? D by dx of tan inverse of x by 1 plus x square plus tan inverse of 1 plus x square by x. Okay, now here which is tan inverse x plus tan inverse here on the one. So you can write tan inverse x equal to tan inverse x plus tan inverse 1 by x. So tan inverse 1 by x can be written as here what? Cot inverse x. So reciprocal of x means 1 by x. This is the form of 1 by x, and 1 plus x square by x means what here? Reciprocal of 1 by x by 1 plus x square, which is the reciprocal of 1 plus x by 1 plus x square. Reciprocal is x by 1 plus x square. Reciprocal is what? 1 plus x square by x. So now here I will substitute the value here, that is cot inverse x. You can write as derivative of d by dx of here, d by dx of tan inverse x plus here cot tan inverse of 1 by x means what? Cot inverse x. X means what here? You can take the value as x by 1 plus x square. So x means here x by 1 plus x square. Now cot inverse of x by 1 plus x square. So now here what? Tan inverse of x plus cot inverse of x. So now what about the value here? D by dx of tan inverse of x plus cot inverse of x. So tan inverse of x plus cot inverse of x value how much? Here children, the value is here 90 degrees. So now the value is what here? 0. So 0 is the initial one, first one. Okay. So now here I will convert the values here now. As per inverse trigonometric function properties I am using now. Here d by dx of secant inverse of root x plus 1 by root x minus 1 plus sin inverse of root x minus 1 by root x plus 1. Children, here secant inverse x plus, see there is secant inverse 1 by x means what? Here cos inverse x. You can write this value is what? Secant inverse reciprocal. So secant reciprocal is what here? Cos. So now you can write in the cos inverse. Secant inverse root x plus 1 by root x minus 1 is equal to cos inverse of root x minus 1 by root x plus 1. So now here I will write as d by dx of cos inverse of root x minus 1 by root x plus 1 plus sin inverse of root x minus 1 by root x plus 1, root x plus 1. So now let I will take m is equal to root over x minus 1 by root over x plus 1. So now here m is equal to root over x minus 1 by root over x plus 1. Now I will take this value as here. So again the value is pi by 2. So now d by dx of, replace the value as m, cos inverse of m plus sin inverse of m, children. So now which is what here? 90. Again cos inverse x plus sin inverse x value how much here? 90 degrees. Now the value is what here? D by dx of 90. Derivative of 90 means what here? 0. Derivative of 90 means what here? 0. Okay, note down. Question number 9. See that here y is equal to, here I am writing the solution as given y is equal to, here children, sin inverse of root over 1 minus x by 2. That means what, children? Here sin inverse of x. What is the formula of d by dx of d by dx of sin inverse of x. What is the formula here, children? 1 by root over 1 minus x square. Now here 1 by root over 1 minus root over 1 minus x whole square. So you have to imagine this value as x. Already told you ఏ వాల్యూ అయితే మనం ఇమాజినేషన్ చేసుకుంటామో దాని ఇన్నర్ డెరివేటివ్ చేయాలి. సో నౌ హియర్ రూట్ ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ ఇమాజినేషన్ ఇమాజినరీ వాల్యూ. సైన్ ఇన్వర్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ అంటే ఇక్కడ సైన్ ఇన్వర్స్ ఆఫ్ రూట్ ఓవర్ 1 minus x by 2. So when you are imagine the value, now inner derivative karna, inner derivative you have to do. So inner derivative of d by dx of root over 1 minus x by 2. So now here, so now then expansion of this 1 minus, here square and root cut, here square and root cut, remaining value you can write inner 1 by root over 1 minus x by 2, 1 minus x by 2 into derivative of root x means what, children? 1 by 2 root 1 minus x by 2 into derivative of root x derivative, again this inner derivative value, into d by dx of imagination of x value as here 1 minus x by 2. So here 1 minus x by 2 derivative. So now you can write, children, the value as what? This root 2 will go up here, root 2 by root over here 2 minus 1 plus x into here 1 by 2 root x. 1 by 2 root x means here 1 by here root 2 into root over 1 minus x into derivative of d by dx of what here 1 by 2 minus x by 2, 1 by 2 minus x by 2. Now you have to write here root 2 get cancelled. Now you can write 1 by root over 1 plus x into here 1 by root over 1 minus x into derivative of constant is what here 0 minus 1 by 2 into derivative of x, d by dx of x, d by dx of x. Now you can write 1 by root over a plus b into a minus b, children. What about a plus b into a minus b? A square minus b square, a square minus b square. Okay, now here root over 1 minus x square into here minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 into 1. So now you can write this one as minus 1 by 2 root 1 minus x square, which is the final one, okay, note down. Okay, now we have, children, here we have to go into discuss about question number 10. Solution d by dx of cosecant inverse of 1 by 2x into root over 1 minus x square. Here you can put the substitution method, like put x is equal to sin theta, put x is equal to sin theta here, that is equal to d by dx of cosecant inverse of 1 by here 2 sin theta into root over 1 minus sin square. You know already you have to calculate here root over 1 minus x square means root over 1 minus sin square. That means what here? Cos theta. You can write this one as 1 by 2 sin theta cos theta. 2 sin theta cos theta. That is nothing but what, children, here sin 2 theta here d by dx of here cosecant inverse of 1 by sin 2 theta. Nothing but what here, children? 1 by sin. Reciprocal of sin is what, children, here? Cosecant. Reciprocal of sin is what here? Cosecant. Now d by dx of cosecant inverse of cosecant 2 theta, cosecant 2 theta. So cosecant inverse cosecant cancel. Now here 2 theta is the answer here. What about theta here? Theta is nothing but what, children? Theta is nothing but here sin inverse x from the substitution value x equal to sin theta. Now you can take this value as here 2 into sin inverse x, 2 into what here, children? Sin inverse x. So this is the value of y. So now I want to find out dy by dx. So differentiate it both sides. So dy by dx is equal to, so d by dx of, this is d by dx of 2 theta, which is d by dx of 2 theta. Can write this is d by dx of 2 theta, or else here d by dx of 2 into sin inverse x, that is nothing but 2 into 1 by root over 1 minus x square. Why? Because sin inverse x derivative is what? Why? Because sin inverse x derivative is what? 1 by root over 1 minus x square. Now that is the option is what here? 2 by root over 1 minus x square. Okay, note down, children. Okay, I am changing the question here. Up to 10 I explain now. 11th one, 12th one, 13th one same are in the model, applying 14th one also same in the model, applying inverse trigonometric function of tan. Okay, now I am going to explain 15th one. Now I am going to explain 15th one. Okay, now solution. Given y is equal to tan inverse of root over 1 plus x square minus 1 by x. Again substitution, you know the relation. మనకి సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ ఏం చేయాలి సార్? secant square theta minus tan square theta. How much, children, here? Now what about 1 plus tan square theta? 1 plus tan square theta means what here, children? Secant square theta. By substituting x equal to tan theta, we can possibility to get here 1 plus tan square. Now I'll take, put x is equal to tan theta. Put x is equal to tan theta. And that implies theta is equal to what, children? Tan inverse x. Tan inverse x. Okay, then y is equal to here tan inverse of root over 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 by tan theta. That means what here? Y is equal tan inverse of root over 1 plus tan square theta. That's why I told here root secant square theta means secant theta minus 1 by tan theta. Again you know the formula here. So now tan inverse of 1 by cos theta minus 1 by sin theta divided by cos theta, children. Now that is nothing but tan inverse of 1 minus cos theta by sin theta after taking LCM. So 1 plus cos by sin means tan of pi by 4 plus theta by 2. Here it is a y equal to tan inverse of tan of pi by 4 minus theta by 2. So now here the value is pi by 4 minus 1 by 2 into theta. After differentiating both sides, what I will get finally here? Dy by dx is equal, that means pi by 4 minus 1 by 2 into tan inverse x. So now I will get here minus 1 by 2 into 1 plus x square. So now which is the final answer, which is about the 15th one, then you can get in the third option. So now here once listen, children, here finally I am telling you, I today left the questions 11, 12, 13, 14. ఎందుకు వదిలేశారు సార్ అంటే సేమ్ సినారియో, సేమ్ మోడల్. Inverse geometrical, first you can try yourself. Thank you for watching EDUHUNT IIT Foundation. Thank you very much. Okay, next class will be continued from the 16th bit.